Standing at the crossroads, lost in the rain. Every path I see just leads me back again. Without your umbrella, I'm soaked to the bone. No other excuse to call you my own. You understood my rainy days, my fears and doubts you'd always say. In every moment through the storm, with you I felt warm. Can you understand my rainy days? Willing to come back your way. Slow down my steps, hoping you'll stay, but you drift further away. Who will understand my rainy days? Willing to turn back, face the haze, but with each step you're out of sight in this endless night. Hand in hand, we face the storm, but now we're just friends. I feel forlorn, regret not holding tighter, letting you go. Now I walk alone in the downpour. You understood my rainy days, my fears and doubts you'd always say. In every moment through the storm, with you I felt warm. Can you understand my rainy days? Willing to come back your way. Slow down my steps, hoping you'll stay, but you drift further away. Who will understand my rainy days? Willing to turn back, face the haze, but with each step you're out of sight in this endless night. Too late, have I lost my way? Tears fall down, can't make you stay. Through the mist I call your name, but the echo fades and I'm to blame. Can you understand my rainy days? Willing to come back your way. Slow down my steps, hoping you'll stay, but you drift further away.